for this lady to dance. Let me hear you say, oh, yeah. If you're in support of this lady to dance, let me hear you say, ah.
Hey guys, good morning. Carrying you guys along with me today, and I'm just in the kitchen. I'm about to make breakfast. Like, I haven't had anything to eat this morning, so yeah, we're about to make breakfast. The kitchen is so hot and my camera is steaming, but yeah, come join me and let's have breakfast. Look at this pimple on my nose, guys. Like, can you see how massive it is? I don't know what I did to deserve this. Like, Mother Nature just hates me. Look at this. Anyway guys, let's make breakfast. So guys, I'm having oats because I'm eating clean, and that's milk and honey and some almonds and a banana. So this is going to be my breakfast. Yeah, eat clean so your body can be snatched. All right, my breakfast is ready. As you can see, it's oatmeal with bananas and there's like almond inside. This is so yummy and healthy, and I added like cinnamon, okay, for like flavor, and honey. Yeah, I already showed you guys that I added honey. So yep, breakfast ready. Let's chow. Hey guys, so I had my breakfast and I got ready, took a shower, did a little beat for my face. I have a meeting. Yes, again, it's having meetings. I have a meeting that I have to go to. It's something that I'm working on, and I'm just going to meet the person that I need to meet to do the thing that I'm working on. I'll announce what I'm doing soon, don't worry guys. But yeah, this is me just wearing a denim jacket and a black dress. Yeah, going out for my meeting. Yeah, I'm rocking my natural hair with my hair. I left my hair in front, looking like a gorgeous diva. Hey guys, good morning. And yesterday after my meeting, I ended up not vlogging because I was so tired. But I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I'm wearing my gym fit. Yeah, I work out like 4 times a week, so I'm taking you guys along with me. All right, this is my daily routine. Let's go to the gym. Yeah, I work on my bonnet because I don't want y'all to see my hair. Look at my pimple, guys. This is the most fugly looking pimple ever. Yeah, let's go to the gym. Hi, good morning. This is Mr. Isaac, my trainer, aka Macho. Macho, say hi. Show them your muscle. Yeah, so he's the one that helps me out. Like, I already used to work out before I met him, but he has really showed me some workouts that have changed my life and changed my body. So yeah, a trainer is not needed, but a trainer will make a big difference, guys. A big difference. So guys, I'm gonna carry you with me while I'm working out. I'm just going to give you a tour of the gym. This is like our jungle gym. We just have like the basic stuff. We have weights. We have this multi-purpose machine that can do several things. We have the weight bench, yes. Then the one where you do your abs. This one too. Yeah, give us a tour. Give us a tour.
Out in the gym, everything is here for you.
Exactly. So no excuses.
No excuse. No darling.
No darling. Yeah. I don't know what's happening here. My trainer thinks he's in a disco club. What kind of dance step is this? This I used to give them that year.
Yeah,
Oh my god. Please stop.
Cool like that.
Hey guys, so sorry about yesterday. I worked out and I just had like an indoor day. There was really nothing to vlog. So today I'm going for an event, or I don't even know what it's called. What's the thing called? I don't know. Say hi to my friend in Chem.
Hi.
Come closer, come closer. This is in Chem.
I'm not naked. See, I'm wearing a dress.
Yeah, this is in Chem and we're going for the event together.
Yeah.
I think it's just like food and like a fair.
Yes.
A fair music, that kind of vibe. So I'll be vlogging. Guys, we're looking so cute. I'm wearing like a summer dress and she's yeah guys, I'm still rocking my natural hair rocks hair. I just did like two braids and yeah. So guys, let's go. So we're heading out from the other side. Yeah, you have. To tell you. Hey mommy. I'm fine. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlogging. Olivia's vlogging.
So we're on our way to Central Park and I think the event is actually called, wait, I need to find out because I cannot be going somewhere and I don't know where I'm going to. Let me check my phone. So it's called Nigerian Flavors and Rema is going to be there. So guys, I don't know if you remember Ashley from my other vlog. That's my niece. She's already there. So finally Rema is in town and she's going to see him. So yeah, that's where I'm going to. It started by 12 p.m. but I know these things, they are going to start late, so I'm not even bothered like that. Inkem, are you bothered?
I'm not bothered at all.
Exactly, but you're hungry.
Very. I'm going to this morning. True story.
We're just going there for the food and hopefully we get to see the Rema. If not, guys, am I not looking cute? See this big pimple on my nose, like, can you imagine? Like, this thing is a boil. I don't think it's a pimple. It's so huge. It's spoiling my shine. Hey guys, so we just got to the event. Got my ticket. Thank you.
Let's do this together. For just a few minutes, we will know who the government is.
How far? This one is just hungry. Please give her food.
Again. Jay?
Oh God.
Only how Mark, all your friends you follow it. You put that one with it. Now the watcher.
Hi. Wait, just say hi to my vlog.
Now your boyfriend.
It's Afrolicious. How far, Olinda? How are you? I'm good. Look really pretty. I hope it's not sold my butter. I don't even remember. It's strangling. How far? I'm good. Oh, how has it been going?
Yeah, people just started coming now.
I knew people would come late because it's like Saturday.
It's like
the authentic.
Shout. Am I wrong?
Quite there.
I'm so hungry. I can't even post for I'm so hungry.
Yeah. Where's the fruit shirt? Liquor lady, so pretty.
So nice.
I know, right? So pretty.
Hey, come on, give it. Come on, dance.
this.
We have fish, sauce,
Ladies and gentlemen, introduce
and
to
some
you.
chicken. Wow. Someone is singing karaoke and this shit don't sound good.
Let's start from somewhere.
Wow. Sing, girl, sing. It all started with a dream.
Nah.
Guys, I'm just gonna eat my small chop.
Let's see this thing. Maybe she's doing it for the fun of it.
Me and you know we're meant to lay on it. Anywhere you want, I'ma give you one time today. Mommy, yo, me, I never seen no one like this.
Mommy, yo.
Me, I never seen nobody like you.
Mommy, yo.
No one like you. Mommy, yo.
Oh, God have mercy. Woo! Mommy, yo.
Boya mother, wake up in the morning.
Come on. Woo!
My belly tell me sorrow. Come follow repade me.
So when you're out, baby, never you. All I drop out. Pulling up to that emergency room. You wanna get high, come ride them. I must think dip it drop when I know you so. Anyway you want, put it on me, girl. Me no send me when you wind it up. Yeah, when I drop bomb on the mic. Sing a band with the pill on the boy, yeah. Go down, look at me. Me not do no friend, don't think that they go. Go sit down, go sit down. May the thing go down for you.
That was something. The guy was good.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for our contestants. Slender, they touch your hand, they tell me time is money, bro. Time is money. Let's know if I'm winning this thing or not. Stand up, stand up. They understand.
Take home my body, my spirit and soul. I will be singing and dancing and jumping and clapping and shouting dark and a soul. When you are here, I am somebody. Yeah. When you are here, I am somebody. When you are here, I am Shaduka. When I'm a kid in it, when I'm a waki, when it's Ubana Yanaji, what's the singing rawa and Basu Kudi, what's the singing rawa and Sasa Pushi. Throw your hands in the air right now, man. Feel it, come on here. I got an announcement to make.
He's talking about Rema again. You can't wait for Rema.
Chickens run day and night. Oh, do I let my sister?
Ask your sister.
My music travel long. But ask your sister. She never said she not know me. Go down low. She never said she not know me. Go down low. Level sample.
Ekwe.
Sample.
Ekwe.
Sample.
Ekwe.
Too nice. Come on.
Are we on the air?
DJ too nice.
I'm still here. Rema and all the celebrities are supposed to be year I haven't come. That's the thing about Nigerian events. They pour the celebrities, but they never come on time.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, whoever is in charge of the ice cream, you know what to do. 4 of them.
I think I'll start going
can your
home.
words
I'm
match
tired.
the ice cream
I
stand?
cannot stay
On
here
me, I will
till
come to
midnight.
it. Please, go with your thank you very much. Give me a high five. Give me a high five.
Girl, I wanna hear, yeah, yeah. I wanna see.
Let me see ya. 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 Put your hands. Put your hands in the air. Come on. We've been lighting up your night. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Drop. So none of the girls here can dance. You're not bold enough to contest with these guys.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
If you're in support for this lady to dance, let me hear you say, yeah. If you're in support of this lady to dance, let me hear you say. Where are your friends? Where are your friends? Point them.
How much you want to go to?
Sherry! Stephanie! Are you ready? Oh, Stephanie! Please, can you all shout Stephanie?
Stephanie!
Now she be down and carry brown hair. That with the braids. She's the dancer. My sister, come on stage. Tonight you must dance.
Yo!
Too nice. Come.
Saw my niece go on stage. That was like awesome. So guys, I couldn't wait for Rema and Ricardo Banks and Elliot. So I'm heading home. Bye. I got some barbecue. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.